I was invited to film the demolition of this house. It was something I've never seen before this close up, and I found it very interesting. Let's take a closer look.
This 1969 masonry house will be torn down by this excavator. I ran a time-lapse camera to capture the action. I was expecting a quick knockdown and haul away, and wasn't prepared for the detail that went into removing and grouping different materials. First was the wood roof, which was easy to demo and remove. I learned that each material has to be collected and hauled out separately. It took several days to complete this meticulous exercise. The excavator operator organized piles of additional wood and masonry. I learned a lot from examining the demolished materials. For example, the concrete rebar was in surprisingly good shape for 50 years old. The aluminum enclosure held up well too, all things considered. The demo continues as the remainder of the house is taken down. Trucks arrive to haul away the remainder of the sorted material. The soil can now be prepared for the next structure. Follow me on LinkedIn for more content like this, and thanks for watching.